Okay na yan.
The attack of the Dogman.
Sabi mo masarap.
Nasobre.
Hindi, matamang talaga yung
Dogman
espresso
was
yun.
at the woods saying, using the whoop sound.
Baka magpalpitate ka, daddy. Bawasan mo kaya.
Later, Petey was
Tapos
right
magkalala.
behind.
Patatabalin ko siya. Eh, bilis matulaw eh.
Dogman looked
Kasi
behind
Daddy,
the
yung ano,
siblings.
madabdab.
Yung
Sakto
pansit.
lang
And
tayo.
then later,
Binigay ko ng pera sa bulsa mo.
Dogman doesn't know
Oo, 600.
that there is a clip. And then Petey
Okay.
said, haha, push. And then
Yang!
he was pushed.
Awag mo nga yung cellphone ko dyan. Magpa-play ako ng ano.
Music
Hotspot mo ako.
was thrown right down there with the little baby. The little baby was there.
May Gcash ka, 20?
And then
Meron.
Petey
Oh,
slipped
Gcash nga, 20.
inside. Wow!
Ano
He
yun?
fell.
Gcash.
Di ba
Then
nalunggan na
Petey said,
Oo.
not again.
Anong load?
And then he said,
Pwede lang.
rats.
Hindi, Gcash na,
He
Gcash lang.
and then
Kanina.
Sa akin lang.
Anin mo?
rats.
Pang
And then
naman.
he
Mamaya na.
He pulled again.
Saan mo
He said,
man ako?
rats. Keep pulling, pulling and pulling and pulling. Rats, 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 rats. Until Petey was enough. Rats. It was the last word of Petey until he had almost began. A dog went. They have a quit fight. That you remember Petey's attack?
Si Zachary, 5,000 per head. Si Sia, 4,000. 2,800 per head. Tapos tayo,
7.
7.
And then later,
4 days and 3 nights.
Petey
Round
pushed
trip.
Dogman
Clark,
at the
Paul
attack of
Manila.
Petey.
La Carmela,
Killed
breakfast
many
for 2
police.
days.
Oh!
Ala Carmela. Okay yata dun ah.
June to July.
At the final round, it's now time to
walang
Dogman.
March.
Hindi, gusto mo tingin at mag-book ako ng ano. Mag-book ako. Kasi yung mga environmental fees, 150 lang eh. Mag-book ako yung hindi na lang siya round trip, yung separate. Yung una, one way lang. Kasi pag round trip, mas
budget.
Pero okay lang, huwag niya tayong magkakapis mo.
Later,
Han, malayo Han. Kung magkakapis ka, malayo. 4 hours to 5 hours sa
yeah,
biyahe.
no,
Hindi ka na makakapagkapis.
Dogman.
Paano ka magkakapis?
Dogman was about to grab.
5
Ang
hours.
layo
Dogman
nun,
was
Han.
about to grab Petey.
Kala mo, ang lapit lang, Han.
Until
Kala mo siguro isang oras lang. Hindi, Han, ang layo.
Parang Palawan.
Ha?
Parang sa Palawan
his
siguro.
tail.
5 hours, Han. Tapos, mahihilo ka ano, alam bakit, Han? Ang
Shoving his face by his
pag
tail
ganun.
and hitting
Alam mo yung Oro
his
Plata,
gun
man?
by the
Sa
Petey.
hagdan daw yun eh.
Ano yun?
Dapat ang
Dogman
huling
was
hakbang.
defeated by
Oro.
Petey.
Ano yun?
And if you wanna see part 2,
Lugar yun?
O hindi.
it's in the link of
Hagdanan.
Nang?
Unang hakbang, Oro.
Wait.
Anong hagdan?
Hagdanan.
Saan?
wait for
Sa kahit
our
na anong
part 2
hagdanan.
episode.
Sa bahay, sa building.
Oh.
Dapat Oro yung huli.